This fall, Morehead State University will celebrate its birthday. Not only will we be celebrating 135 years of educating students on this very hillside, but we'll also celebrate our centennial anniversary as a state-supported institution. Beginning 135 years ago, in 1887, and until today, MSU has gone from a one-room schoolhouse on the side of a hill to the number 15th ranked public regional university in the South.
I came to Morehead State years ago and was fortunate enough to be employed there for many years. I am a professor emerita in history, and my husband and I were posted here. He came here in the ROTC department. And so we became acquainted with Morehead State that way. And we could see how much it meant to the community. And because he was in ROTC, he was considered faculty, he taught military science. He could take classes free, and as his spouse, I could have a free class each semester. And in that capacity as a student, I could see what Morehead State meant to this region, to students. And then the longer that we were here and the more I learned about Morehead, I of course learned about Cora Wilson Stewart, the Moonlight Schools, and the illiteracy campaign. And that became an important part of my intellectual identity. His first 3 years here in the ROTC program showed him what ROTC could mean to young students here, because it gave them an entirely different career, something some of them had never really even thought about. I'm very proud, and I know he would be so proud that they named the Veterans Resource Center in his honor. And I remember the ceremony in which they did that.
When I first came to Morehead's campus, it was staying at Open House, and the first thing I thought was just how beautiful the nature was. It was around the fall, so the trees were just beautiful colors, and everyone was so nice, and it was just a great environment. The Veteran Resource Center is a hospitality and informational center. So when you come into the Veteran Resource Center, you can generally just come in for snacks or television or to meet other military-related students. We also provide services where we direct you to different facilities, such as the VA's office or financial aid and much more to help you in any way you need. MSU is my home away from home. I am truly glad that I came here, and I encourage everyone from like my hometown or anywhere in Kentucky or anywhere in general just to come here and experience this.
This homecoming, we are also celebrating our centennial anniversary as a state-supported institution in Kentucky. In 1922, the State Normal School Commission selected our location to be the site of a regional school for the people in Kentucky. Now, 100 years and over 70,000 alumni later, we continue to fulfill our mission in serving students in our region and beyond. Come join us this year as we celebrate our birthday at homecoming.